Hi friends, today we are going to learn about the French Revolution and the idea of the nation. The key points. What is the major thing that we have learned from the French Revolution and the idea of the nation? Nationalism, it is a belief system which instills a sense of common identity among the members of a nation. National flag, national symbol, national anthem, etc., play an important role in developing and strengthening the idea of nationalism. So, after the French Revolution, the major idea what we have picked up is the concept of a nation. A nation should have a fixed territory and it should be ruled by a sovereign territory. So, nationalism means it is a belief system which instills a sense of common identity among the members of the nation. What are the things that are used to instill the sense of common identity among the members of a nation are the national flag, national symbol, national anthem. They play an important role in developing and strengthening the idea of nationalism. France was a full-fledged territorial state in 1789 under the rule of an absolute monarch. The political and constitutional changes that came in the wake of French Revolution led to the transfer of sovereignty from monarchy to a body of French citizens. So, after the French Revolution, the major changes which have come is that French was a full-fledged territorial state in 1789 under an absolute monarch who was ruling it. So after 1789, the revolution happened and it changed. Then it got into a nation. The idea of nationalism emerged. It brought political and constitutional changes that came in the wake of French Revolution, led to the transfer of sovereignty from monarchy to a body of French citizens. So how is the sense of nationhood created? What are the changes that have come after the French Revolution in France? This is a guarantee question for 5 marks in the board examination. So please make a note of the points here. First, a royal flag was replaced by a new tricolor flag. The existing royal flag was replaced by a new tricolor flag. The Estates General was elected by the body of active citizens and that was renamed as the National Assembly. New hymns were composed, oaths were taken and martyrs commemorated. So they started to sing new hymns, the oath was taken and the sacrifices made by the leaders was remembered. The martyrs were commemorated, all in the name of the nation. A centralized administrative system was put in place. So they brought a centralized administrative system into practice. Uniform laws for all citizens were formulated. So uniform laws means same law is applicable for all citizens started to come into existence, means were formulated. Internal custom duties and dues were abolished. Earlier there were many internal taxes. This was reduced and some were abolished. Uniform system of weights and measures was adopted. Earlier there were different weighing systems and lengths and measures. All were changed and a uniform system, same system across the country was adopted. French was considered as a common language of the nation. Till then there were different dialects. Now French was considered as a common language of the nation. The French revolutionaries made it their mission to spread the idea of nationalism and to help Europeans liberate themselves from dictatorship.